Here I am at the entrance to the back garden, which is the west garden, and the panicle phlox has started to bloom. It's been here for years, probably about maybe 10 years. Started to bloom, and the little quickfire is starting to bloom. I love little quickfires. They're sturdy, they're not floppy, and those leaves are they're very good looking too, the leaves. Love it. Looking good. Snowdrift supertunia starting to grow, as well as that plectranthus. And the little quickfire back here is a little slower because it doesn't get as much sun. The beacon impatiens I planted are filling in. Love beacon impatiens. I think this one is called Violet Shades. And there are some more back yonder of the beacon impatiens. It is a lot of pink, basically the same color pink in the same area, but I planted some Victoria Blue Salvia back yonder, which hopefully will grow and give a blue or purple appeal to the area and cut some of that pink so it doesn't look so flat. So pretty. Over to the left, the endless summers that grow from the new wood. It's getting bigger. I love those leaves. So even though I don't have blooms this year, I'm loving the beautiful leaves. Appreciation, important in life for happiness, being appreciative. And the quickfire, the oldest in my garden, is looking lovely. This is great, blooms in part shade with no problems, no problemo. Love it. We have had a lot of rain as well as some strong wind. The rain has brought a lot of beautiful growth, of course, into the garden. One thing in particular I would like to do is edge at least this one side of the grass, well, grass/weeds, to make it look a little neater. So here is the look before. And I'm just going to use a regular shovel. All right, I am all done with my small and reasonable goal of edging part of my back grass. Here are the tools I used. I use a shovel to edge and loosen the grass, and I use these other items to remove the debris. And I love using a shovel, of course, in the winter for snow, but in the spring, summer, and fall to remove plant debris. Here is what it looks like after I edged part of the grass. I love it. Flowers aren't the only thing important in the garden. It's also important to try to maintain an overall neat look. Not perfect, but neat. Love it. On the back deck, the autumn joy sedum will have its blooms soon. So exciting. Bordeaux looking good despite the heavy rain. The Easy Way Petunia looking good. Lamium looking good. This one will bounce back and get more blooms. Just needs to dry out and get more sun. Overall, loving it. There are the Annabelles that have been in a couple of years. Headed back, evening rose hibiscus will be blooming soon. Here is the other little quickfire. This little quickfire has been in here for years. This is the oldest one. Beacon impatiens and ageratum looking good. Hostas, some of them are getting their blooms. There's that Annabelle I put in recently for repetition. Headed back. There's the other Annabelle for repetition and the other Annabelle for repetition. Quick fire, firelight in the middle, will be blooming soon. Other quick fire. And the Gatsby Pink Oak Leaf Hydrangea is, yes, turning pink. Ooh la la. What a beauty. What a beauty. The Gatsby Star in this bed has turned a pink as well. The Gatsby Pink will get pinker over time, but this Gatsby Star has turned a beautiful pink. Love it. Here is the oldest Gatsby Star in my yard. It's been planted here for probably maybe 7 years. And the quick fire fabs have budded up, looking good, that are right in front of this, or these limelights. Over across from this table I built years ago, I think it's a Milan rose, Sweet Mademoiselle, has started to bloom. What a beauty. Wow. Here is the front garden, the east garden. The Supertunias Snowdrift are really filling in, as well as that Snow Princess Lobularia and Stormburst Verbena. Looking good. I moved this pot out here temporarily to get some sun on that white Easy Way petunia. Snowdrift Supertunias back by the steps, looking good as well, filling in and getting bigger. And back there, taking a rest where the rain can't get on her, is Night, my stray cat cutie. So cute. The white Easy Way petunias up here are doing great, filling in and getting bigger. The Walker's Low has flushed back out and has started to bloom again. The Incredible is big and beautiful, as usual. Love it. And the pink, what is that? The pink chiffon has buds. Rose of Sharon. Love it. The Sally Holmes rose will be blooming again soon. Lots of buds. Love it. And despite the rain, the bumblebees are absolutely loving this May night salvia. So cute. Thanks for watching, and toodles.